Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I know that it's been a while since I uploaded my last video. So today I'm back with another video where I'll be showing you how to repair the radiators, that is specifically how to make straight the radiator fins if in case it has been bent or damaged due to the the stones or gravels hitting to it directly from the tires. Almost all the radiators constructions are same as you can see in the video. This is an oil radiator for Pulsar 220. I'm using this because I'm working on a oil recirculation and filtering system for RX 135, that is for my bike. As I said, the process remains same for almost all the radiators. I'll also show you how on my Cbr250r too. The basic function of the radiator is to act as a heat exchanger between the atmospheric air and the coolant which is heated by the engine. The fluid, which might be oil or coolant, will be recirculating inside the radiator, and when the air from the atmosphere comes in contact with the radiator, due to the large surface area, the coolant or the oil gets cooled very efficiently and also instantly. These smaller fins between the small tubes in the radiator gives more surface area for the heat exchanging process, so it's very highly dependable on these things. If in case the passage or the path in which the airflow is obstructed, like in the radiator which I'm showing now, then the efficiency of the radiator might be less, so the hot coolant or the oil itself will enter into the engine back. So now I'll show you how to free up the obstructed fins by using this small hair plucker which can be found in any houses. This process is not hard, but it's tricky and time consuming. Always start from the corner of the radiator fins because I find it easier than starting from the center and going both the sides. As you can see, I've already finished the bottom row till the middle. While we are still at the bottom row, you can see the fins are bent almost towards left, so I found it easier to start from the right corner and make it straight. At first, don't try to make the fin straight, just make it the near straight position, so when you finish everything in that row, you can come back and make it perfectly straight. It's a bit hard to hold the radiator in one hand and straighten it in the other one, so I recommend to place the radiator on a flat surface and then proceed. Here's a small 15 seconds time lapse which you might like. This is how it looks once all the fins are straight. Trust me, it was quite hectic, but once it's done, you'll be really satisfied, and the efficiency of the radiator will be really nice. So that's it for today guys, hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. My next video will be on Cbr250r frame slider, which I'll be uploading this evening. So until then, take care and cheers.